Yeah. Massive fish head. It's a rainy day today in Osaka, so we're going to try and find some undercover activities. Is it good?
Ding dong.
Oh, it looks really silky. Got some steamed egg from the store here. Oh wow, look at that giant piece of oyster mushroom. Ooh. How is it? Really soft. Crispy. It's really crispy on the outside. And really soft in the middle. Like that. Really good. It is a crab stick rather than actually crab meat. Hot soy milk to warm us up on this rainy day. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, it's nice and warm. How is it?
Creamy.
Is it creamy? Oh, it looks really creamy. It's like drinking full cream milk. Cheers! With delicious tuna. We're gonna have some otoro, my favorite, which is fatty tuna and fatty salmon. So the shop has seating for us to eat inside. Oh my days, look at this sushi that we're gonna have for breakfast. I'm super excited about trying this. How excited are you? Okay, Donkey's going in for his first piece of super fatty tuna. I've been thinking about this moment for days. Oh my gosh, look at this. Barely pick it up, it's so big. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that piece of otoro. I'm so excited. Thumbs up. Like tuna. As soon as you chew it, it's so fatty, it just melts in your mouth. I love salmon now. This piece is huge, like it's almost as long as a chopstick. Oh my gosh. Arigatou gozaimasu. abalone. And we need to pay for it at the cashier. They're gonna cut it for us, so we've got our ticket number and we're gonna go and wait over in the seating area. So our abalone's come, they sliced it for us and put some sauce on it. I got abalone. Oh, look at that, it's so hot. The sauce is sweet. It's a really rubbery texture. You can't really taste the abalone now because the sauce is too sweet. Wow, look at these poisonous puffer fish. These scallops. Oh wow, look at our eel. How is it?
Really good.
It's so soft. It literally melts in your mouth. So good. Look at this Wagyu beef. They can even grid it for you. I'm gonna have some barbecued oysters. Wow. Whale sashimi here. It looks like beef. Wow, these are huge. Look at these bad boys. Okay, Donkey's going in for one. Try it. Is it good? What does it taste like?
Juicy, fishy.
Is it creamy? And then there were two. Ooh, it's gonna shoot the juice.
Lemon juice in there already.
Oh wow, it's piping hot. It's just come off the grill. Wow, this thing is so fat. Cheers! It just tastes like the sea. And because it's cooked, it doesn't have a slimy consistency. That you can sprinkle on your rice. And we're also going to get some of these dipping sauces. So we've got some ponzu and some sesame sauce. And if you want some chestnuts, arigatou gozaimasu. So it's just been giving me a sample.
好大颗的巧克力。
It's really good. Also some more traditional products on offer. Our sweet potato. These are different types. Okay, look at my sweet potato. It's been roasted. They look amazing. Try it. It's so sweet. It has a really good sweet potato flavour. So this shop specialises in sea urchin. Sea urchin with wagyu, different varieties of sea urchin, and sea urchin on rice. One of these hot omelettes. Wow, check out this freshly made omelette with ground beef inside. Oh, so fluffy. Try it. Really creamy, and the onions are really tasty. Oh, look at these mochi. There's even a coffee shop here. Time for dessert. We're gonna get ourselves an ice cream. Dessert time. Whoa, look at this, perfect. Do you think it looks exactly like the model? See how it tastes. So creamy. Oh my god, it really tastes of milk. It actually just tastes like frozen milk. It's not even sweet. So good. Ramen food court. So I chose this one, which is a dipping noodle, and I'm having some dumplings as well. Chris got the works ramen, and I got the dipping ramen. So it comes with a dipping sauce. The egg comes with a little prawn in it. Chris's one's got one. Oh wow, the dipping sauce has got like loads of spring onions and pork and some bamboo shoots. Chopsticks have got these spirals on them, which makes them super grippy. I don't understand why all chopsticks don't have this. I'm going to try my dipping noodles. Super glossy. Dip them in the dipping sauce. Let me try it. We're back in the room and it's time to have cheesecake. Always fresh out the oven. Since 1956. Oh my god, it's still warm. There you are, undressed in all your glory. Look at that. So jiggly. So squishy.